High blood pressure or hypertension is a prevalent condition with severe health implications if left unmanaged. It exerts excessive force on arterial walls, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. Understanding its impact on health is crucial, as elevated blood pressure strains the heart and blood vessels, potentially leading to artery hardening and blockages, damaging organs and escalating cardiovascular risks. A low-sodium diet is pivotal in hypertension management, as sodium found in many foods contributes to water retention and elevated blood volume. Reducing sodium intake, ideally below 1,500 milligrams daily for hypertensive individuals, alleviates cardiovascular strain. Additionally, integrating anti-inflammatory foods into the diet can bolster heart health. Chronic inflammation is implicated in cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, and an anti-inflammatory diet focuses on foods like omega-3, rich fish, walnuts, and fruits and vegetables. This combination of low-sodium and anti-inflammatory dietary approaches forms a basis for a balanced meal plan for high blood pressure. A sample 7-day meal plan showcases nutritious options, but customization is key, considering individual preferences and dietary needs. Planning ahead, incorporating heart-healthy recipes, and reducing sodium and inflammation demand conscious effort, like reading labels, cooking at home, avoiding processed foods, and using fresh herbs and spices. Consulting with a dietitian provides personalized guidance, ensuring dietary safety and effectiveness. Lifestyle changes further support blood pressure management, including regular physical activity, stress reduction, limited alcohol consumption, smoking cessation, and maintaining a healthy weight. Combining these changes with a tailored meal plan can effectively manage blood pressure and enhance overall health. Taking control of your health is attainable through a 7-day anti-inflammatory low-sodium meal plan, offering a balanced approach to hypertension management and overall well-being improvement. Downloading the free meal plan is the first step toward revitalized health.